Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down input basics, so the rest of this fix is reliable. First, set your mouse DPI to a stable range like 400 to 800 and pick a single profile. Once done, disable operating system mouse acceleration and keep pointer speed at the neutral position. This removes software smoothing. Next, open Minecraft and ensure raw input or direct input is enabled so the game reads the physical mouse data. Make sure to record your current in-game sensitivity for later comparison. Now you refine how input maps to movement. You should change in-game sensitivity slowly, try increments of 0. 1 and test aim after each tweak, because large jumps hide the real cause. Make sure your mouse firmware and drivers are up to date and set polling to 500 or 1000 HZ for consistent sampling. Also stabilize the game frame rate by capping FPS or enabling VSync. Inconsistent frame timing often looks like unstable sensitivity. Finally, check any mouse software multipliers and disable conflicting boosts. Finish by validating your settings under repeatable conditions. Use the same map or a practice server and play several short sessions to confirm stability. If jitter continues, swap the mouse or move it to a different USB port. Avoid unpowered hubs, because hardware faults mimic sensitivity problems. If changing hardware fixes it, you know it was the device. Make sure to reapply your final sensitivity value, and if nothing else works, reset Minecraft controls or reinstall as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.